Hello my Jingoos. Welcome to another slice of life. Last night, my cat Nana peed on my bed, so I ended up sleeping on this mattress. I got this shirt for Nana, which she really doesn't like. I've been putting it on her so that she can stop licking her belly so much because it's bald down there. Let me show you. So this is her belly. It's pretty bald. This is the shirt that I've been having her wear. Ta-da! She looks like a big baby. She was wearing this yesterday and I don't think she feels super comfortable peeing and pooing while wearing this onesie yet, so I think she rebelled by just peeing on my bed. This is the pee spot. If you guys didn't know, cats' pees are so strong, and it is so strong that even if you laundry it, the pee smell is still there. So I sprayed this overnight. Now I'm gonna be washing my sheets. But also, it's been quite some time since I last washed my sheets. Why you do this to me, Nana? So this looks pretty gross, but it's like a stinkier version of soybean stew. Kind of tastes like natto as well. And people who like it, and people who don't like it really don't like it. And I love it. I'm gonna go to cafe soon with my friends, so I'm exporting my video file. Sonyeongi! 뭐야 너? I forgot my train of thought.
So you're just going to go to a cafe with some of her friends?
I'm gonna go to a cafe with some of my friends. So I'm exporting my Tuesday video file. Today is a Tuesday and my video is due, but I am not done. I finished the rough cut and I made stylistic edits right here, and I have this much more to go. So I'm just gonna export this file and edit at the cafe with my laptop. The reason why I'm exporting the video instead of moving my files to my laptop is because my laptop cannot handle 4K videos as well as my iMac. I'm hoping by having just like one video file, it'll run a little smoother, but we'll see what happens. I need to leave the house soon, so I can't put these in the dryer. So I'm just gonna hang dry these. Amazing. And then we have San from ATEEZ right here. Hello. So we're at the cafe now. Hey Anis. So Jaehee is gonna teach me a new way of drinking coffee.
You get a cold Americano and then you get the sugar. It has to be like crystal sugar. You pour this into the Americano while it's cold so that it doesn't dissolve. And then when you drink it, it's like crunchy. And then it bursts in your mouth.
Bursts?
Yeah. But you still keep the Americano flavor. You're just gonna try it for the first time.
Ah yes. Cloudy milk.
And then it goes straight to the bottom and it just stays at the bottom.
Crunchy. I like it.
She's such a liar.
I like it.
Lying.
It's so good.
She's lying.
I actually really like it. Yeah. It's like fun. Hello everybody. We just finished work at the cafe and now we're gonna be eating dinner.
Wow. Wow. So exciting.
They actually came here for lunch.
About 5 hours ago.
And then she recommended it again.
It's so good.
for dinner.
It's so good. Delicious. The textures and the fiery flavor.
What is it? Dry? What do you get? What do you get?
I don't know, it's my first time here.
Sunny recommended this place, so it better be good.
I was actually just here for lunch.
For lunch? Today's for lunch? So,
Aha. Oh.
what do we have?
The straw avocado pistachio. I'm gonna take first bite. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Eugen.
Thank you, Jen, for sponsoring this dessert. How is it?
Your thoughts? How about
Tastes like yo plate.
Yo? I like your plate. We gotta get the mango. We'll try it.
I like it.
Sounds better.
Yeah.
Well, you chose them, so this one's bad. That's on you.
They're just so good.
We went to that Korean restaurant.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Try it. That's what Yuja does. This is Yuja ready. You know, you don't get back there. There you go.
Currently it is 10:40. Today I'm actually gonna be going to my friend Mari's college graduation. Woo! We just stole some flowers. Oh, we picked some flowers from the Pomona campus.
I see more yellow flowers.
Oh, you steal all of it?
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, it looks so nice!
On the yellow flower.
Ah, hello, ladybug. Oh, where'd it go? We missed Mari. No, we didn't. Oh, we didn't.
We were technically here.
Yeah. Bruh.
Do you need to cut that stem off?
Congratulations! Thank you.
Wait, I want a photo.
Oh my god! So talented.
Go behind it.
Hello, Jingoos. Angie's here, and we are currently making TXT cutouts. This is Subin. Yeonjun. Angie's favorite K-pop group is TXT. I love their music, but I'm not a huge fan of them. I'm just making Angie's second favorite TXT member so that they can come to us.
But I want Bumgyu too, if we do. You should have done double Subin Bumgyu.
Oh,
We gotta go for another one.
we'll do Bumgyu tomorrow.
Oh yeah, tomorrow. Nice.
We're using these chopsticks to hold it up.
Nice.
Wow.
So this is one of Yeonjun's poses. This is called Yeonjun P.
Hey.
Oh my gosh! Hello!
I love K-pop concerts because everyone looks so cute. Like Angie. Angie looks so cute. 좀 귀엽다잉. 귀여워. We just had sound check and now we're eating before the show starts.
happy, happy, happy Fool's Night. One more time.
Currently eating chicken nuggets.
Hey everybody. Yum yum yum.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
The devil by the window, treading the light. Touch my toes, spread the wings of desire. Happy, 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 happy.